Welcome to Employment and Education News.
Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. If any 12th Science, ITI and Diploma first year students watching this video, please watch my technical YouTube channel. Link of a video of that channel is given in the description box. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited vacancy for graduate trainee in engineering and geosciences through GATE. Eligibility: graduate degree in mechanical, electrical, electronics, civil, instrumentation, production and chemical engineering. Postgraduate degree in geophysics, geology, chemistry, mathematics. Age limit: maximum 30 years for all posts except the post AE drilling cementing for general candidates, 28 years for AE drilling cementing. Age relaxation as per government rule. Last date for application 12 October 2021. National Institute of Science Education and Research Bhubaneswar vacancy for 5 assistant personnel officer. Eligibility: CA, ICWA, graduation with 55% marks, post graduation with experience. Age limit: maximum 35 years. Last date for application 15 November 2021. Salary as per pay level 7. Indian Navy 10+2 BTech Cadet Entry Scheme. Eligibility: 12th Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics with JEE 2021 rank. Age limit: born between 2nd July 2002 and 1st January 2005. Apply between 1st October 2021 and 10 October 2021. 221 Postal Assistant, Postman and Multitasking Staff post vacancy in Department of Post, Office of the Chief Postmaster General, Delhi Circle. Eligibility: 10th pass, 12th pass. Age limit: between 18 to 27 years for Postal Assistant, Postman and 18 to 25 years for Multitasking Staff. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 12 November 2021. Application fees 100. Salary as per pay level 1, 3 and 4. Union Public Service Commission vacancy for Indian Engineering Service. Eligibility: engineering degree. Age limit: between 21 to 30 years. Last date for application 12 October 2021. Application fees 200 for general and OBC and no fee for SC and ST candidates. UPSC vacancy for Assistant Engineer, Security Officer, Civil Hydrographic Officer, Junior Technical Officer, Principal Civil Hydrographic Officer, Store Officer, Assistant Director Grade 2. Eligibility: degree in engineering, master degree in economics, master degree in mathematics or geography or geophysics. Age limit: maximum 30 years for assistant engineer, security officer, civil hydrographic officer, junior technical officer, store officer, assistant director grade 2 and 35 years for principal civil hydrographic officer. Last date for application 14 October. Salary as per pay level 7, 8 and 10. Indian Oil Corporation Limited vacancy for Junior Engineering Assistant, Junior Quality Control, Junior Material Assistant, Junior Technical Assistant, Junior Nursing Assistant. Eligibility: BSc with Physics and Chemistry, BSc Nursing, Diploma in Nursing, Diploma in Engineering. Age limit: between 18 to 26 years as on 30 September 2021. Last date for application 12 October 2021. Salary as per pay scale 25,000 to 1,05,000. Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited vacancy for Secretarial Assistant, Junior Office Assistant. Eligibility: graduate with 55% marks and computer knowledge. Age limit: maximum 28 years as on 27 October. Last date for application 27 October 2021. Application fees 400 for UR OBC and 100 for SC ST and PWD. Salary as per pay scale 23,910 to 85,570 for secretarial assistant and 21,540 to 77,160 for junior office assistant. Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited vacancy for 200 junior maintenance and operator trainee. Eligibility: ITI electrician. Age limit: maximum 32 years. Last date for application 14 October 2021. Oil India Limited vacancy for superintending engineer, superintending medical officer, senior medical officer, senior security officer, senior officer and confidential secretary. Eligibility graduation, graduate with 1 or 2 year diploma in secretarial practice, degree in engineering, MD, MS, DNV, MBBS, master degree with experience. Age limit 32 years for superintending engineer, senior medical officer, senior security officer, 37 years for superintending medical officer, 27 years for senior officer, 39 years for senior officer geophysics, 40 years for confidential secretary. Last date for application 10 October 2021. 96 Professor, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor post vacancy in Madan Mohan Malabya University of Technology. Eligibility BE or BTech, BS, B Pharm, M Pharm, MSc, ME or MTech, MS, MBA, PGDM, CA, ICWA, MCom, Master Degree or PhD. Last date for application 11 October 2021 and send hard copy of the documents to the office up to 21 October 2021. Salary as per pay level 10, 13A1 and 14. 2 Assistant Superintendent and 4 Supervisor post vacancy in Uranium Corporation of India Limited. Eligibility degree in civil engineering, diploma in civil engineering with experience. Age limit maximum 30 years for Assistant Superintendent and 35 years for Supervisor. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 25 October 2021. 19 Professor, Associate Professor, Assistant Professor post vacancy in Mahatma Gandhi Antarrashtriya Hindi Vishwavidyalaya. Eligibility Master Degree or PhD. Last date for application 25 October 2021. Application fees 1000 for all candidates. Salary as per pay level 10, 13A and 14. Thanks for watching till the end.